Welcome back to Casting and Cooking. Today we're making a big sloppy mess of a burger called the Hangover Burger. You want to start off with two 80-20 all beef patties. Get those seasoned up with kosher salt and black pepper and get those on the grill. Next you want to take two slices of bacon, cut them in half and grill them up and get them nice and crispy on that grill. When your bacon's done crisping up, go ahead and set it aside. Go ahead and give those burgers a flip. Now it's time to toast your buns. We're going to go ahead and coat them with some Chipotle aioli before we toast them on the grill. While we got our buns toasted, we're going to throw some oil in a pan and we're going to fry up a sunny side up egg. We're going to add one egg to the pan of hot oil and fry it up and set aside. While our egg's frying, we're going to add two slices of cheddar cheese to our burgers and check on our buns, which are toasting up nicely. Now it's time to build our burger. We're going to go ahead and start with some Chipotle aioli, top with some green leaf lettuce, followed by some vine-ripe tomato, some sweet yellow onion, top with our burger, followed by 4 slices of crispy bacon, top with another half-pound all-beef patty with some bread and butter pickles, and a sunny side-up egg, all topped with a sesame seed bun. Now if this isn't the perfect cure for those Saturday afternoon hangovers, then I don't know what is. If you like what you see, don't forget to comment below and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching Casting and Cooking Barbecue, where my job is to get you hooked on barbecue.